Hello store owners. Today I'll show you how to stop one product from getting your wholesale percentage discount. Here on my shop page, I'm logged in as a wholesale customer, so anything with wholesale pricing shows its discounted price underneath. Now take a look at this canvas tote bag. Retail is $28, but my wholesale customers are getting it for $23.24 because a percentage discount is coming off automatically. Let's say this is one product I don't want discounted at all. So let's head into the back end and open that tote bag up in the editor. Over on the right, inside the Publish box, there's a section called Wholesale Pricing Options. First, I'll tick Disregard Product Category Level Wholesale Discount. That blocks any percentage discount coming from the product's category. Then I'll tick Disregard Wholesale Roll Level Wholesale Discount, which blocks the discount set on the wholesale roll itself. I'm ticking both because I want this one excluded from every percentage discount I've got running. Now I'll hit Update to save it. Now let's jump back to the storefront and pull up that tote bag as my wholesale customer. And there it is. The wholesale discount is gone and the tote bag is sitting at the full $28. Just keep two things in mind. These checkboxes only switch off percentage discounts. So if you've typed a fixed wholesale price straight onto the product, that price still applies. And if an old price hangs around, just clear your cache and it'll catch up. That's how you exclude a product from your wholesale percentage discounts. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.